Nayib Bukele, the current president of El Salvador, the first nation to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender, has made his 2022 prediction for the flagship cryptocurrency. In a January 2 tweet, the crypto-loving president predicts that Bitcoin will hit $100,000 in 2022, and 2 other countries will approve Bitcoin as a legal tender. The president also makes some other predictions about the King Crypto, which became an official legal tender in the Central American country in September 2021. Since then, Bitcoin has been a legal tender in addition to the US dollar in El Salvador. Though it officially became a legal tender in 2021, the Bitcoin experiment started in 2019. Some workers in a coastal village in El Salvador started receiving their salaries, paying bills, and even buying from local shops with Bitcoin in 2019. All these were initiatives of Nayib Bukele, and now the crypto-loving president has made some incredible Bitcoin predictions for 2022. Welcome to Savvy Finance. This video examines Nayib Bukele, El Salvador's president's Bitcoin predictions for 2022. Amongst other things, the president believes that Bitcoin will hit the much-coveted 6 figures in 2022, and 2 more countries will approve the use of the King Crypto as a legal tender. We will also examine the potential impact of these events on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and strong indications that the president's predictions hold a lot of water. Please ensure you watch the video to the end, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel. President Nayib Bukele of El Salvador, who won the respect of a lot of people in the crypto community last year, released a set of predictions for Bitcoin via his Twitter account on January 2, 2022. The president tweet reads, 2022 predictions on Bitcoin will reach $100,000. 2 more countries will adopt it as a legal tender. Will become a major electoral issue in U.S. elections this year. Bitcoin City will commence construction. Volcano bonds will be oversubscribed. Huge surprise at Bitcoin conference. The president's first 2 predictions are almost already in the bag. Many independent analysts, including Plan B and Willy Woo, have predicted that the cryptocurrency will average $100,000 in 2022. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have also been legalized in over 100 countries worldwide. There is little to no tax on earnings on cryptocurrencies in some of these countries. In many other countries, Bitcoin is an unofficial alternative to money. Therefore, it is only a matter of time before 1 or 2 of them make it official, like El Salvador. Potential candidates include Ecuador, Antigua and Barbuda, Turkey, Colombia, Brazil, and Venezuela. The 2 other countries accepting Bitcoin as a legal tender in 2022, the flagship cryptocurrency will become even more popular. The effects will be double what we witnessed this year with El Salvador's adaptation. It will even be greater if one of the nations is one of the world's top 10 most powerful countries. Such feats will make the cryptocurrency more popular, leading to increased demand and higher prices. Moreover, Bitcoin will be contributing to the economic growth of 3 or more nations, immediately proving its dominance over fiat currencies. 2022 is also an election year in the United States. On November 8, 2022, during the midterm election year, all 435 seats in the House of Representatives and 34 of the 100 seats in the Senate will be contested. The election will also include 39 state and territorial gubernatorial elections in addition to other state and local elections. Several of the politicians that would contest to be a part of the most powerful government in the world will have to answer a lot of questions about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So it is safe to assume that President Bukele's 3rd prediction is almost another foregone conclusion. On the other hand, the president's 4th and 5th predictions are his government's plan for Bitcoin in 2022. Last November, at an event closing a week-long promotion of Bitcoin in the Central American country, President Bukele told the world that his government plans to build the world's first Bitcoin city. The project will initially be funded by Bitcoin-backed bonds and would attract investors from all over the world. Bukele's vision for the Dream City includes Bitcoin mining, which would be powered by geothermal energy produced by a nearby volcano. Bukele's government also plans to make everything tax-free to encourage the involvement of investors from far and wide. Now, the president predicts that the construction of this historic project will begin in 2022. To build Bitcoin City, the El Salvador government will issue the world's first Bitcoin-backed sovereign bond in early 2022. The volcano bond would be worth $1 billion with an annual yield of 6.5%. The president predicts that the volcano bond will be so popular that it will be oversubscribed. We have to wait to gauge people's reaction to the bonds, but the response has been widely positive so far. Bitcoin itself is a first of its kind, and it is expected that the community will support other firsts, especially ones as innovative as Bitcoin City and volcano bonds. The president's final prediction hints at the 2022 Bitcoin conference, which will be hosted on Miami Beach between April 6 and 9, 2022. The conference promises to be enlightening with hundreds of speakers, including President Bukele, Michael Saylor, Saifedean Ammous, Adam Back, Elizabeth Stark, Andrew Yang, Jack Mallers, Allies Killen, and many more. Being one of the confirmed speakers that will appear before over 35,000 Bitcoin enthusiasts, it is anyone's guess what President Bukele's big Bitcoin surprise will be. However, if there is anywhere to drop a huge surprise for the community, the conference is one. Many thousands of people are already looking forward to the big surprise and every other prediction on the president's list for the flagship cryptocurrency in 2022. President Bukele's government has achieved many great feats since he was sworn in. His great feats with Bitcoin will remain in the history books for many generations to come, especially if the flagship currency drastically helps to improve the country's economy. What are your thoughts on El Salvador's Bitcoin policy? Do you see other countries accepting Bitcoin as a legal tender in 2022? Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.